beautiful people. I wanted to do a quick video on a few things. I received another shopgoodwill.com package of a lot of jewelry, and I just want to show you what I'll be selling on my eBay and Poshmark stores. So to begin, these are J. Crew, and they're kind of like a steampunk style with some really beautiful crystal studs. And although they are stud earrings, they're not too heavy, but not too light either. So I got those. I also received a beautiful enamel, like a maroon colored, perfect condition. I mean, it looks as though it was never worn. It looks brand new. In fact, I think it is. There is like not a fingerprint. This was not worn. But anyhow, I love J. Crew. They have such quality bracelets and jewelry. Here's another J. Crew cuff bracelet, and it has so many stones and crystals, and it has every single stone in it intact. Really pretty. So here is this one. Then I have this other crystal. Do these match? I'm just wondering. In a way, I guess they do. A lot of crystals, and looks like some kind of beading, and it's a chain link. What a lobster claw clasp. Really pretty. I also received this beautiful necklace. Look at this pendant. I mean, really pretty. Has all these little wispy type beads, and nice size. And my favorite, love, oops, this came off. Love this necklace. This is just, wow, beautiful statement piece. This is really, really nice, really. And it is quite the piece. It's not light by any stretch of the imagination, but I love anything seafoam. And it has like that seafoam green, and this would look so pretty on a black dress or white, or just really pretty. Very happy with that. Okay, so in addition to that, I'm going to be packaging 2 orders that I received. I want to put this stud, the backing on this stud earring, because otherwise I will lose it. Put my jewelry here, and I will be listing those. It's like a cold, relaxing, quiet day. Do you hear that? That's the sound of nothing. No dogs, no children, no husband, no TV, no mom. It's nice and quiet. I love this. Okay. Oh, I wanted to show you guys, I packaged my ornament, one of my doggy ornaments, but I have a whole lot more to do, and I'm saving making the rest when Marianne comes over, because while the Super Bowl is going on, I'm going to be crafting with Marianne. Okay, so the 2 orders that I received were, I sold this Coach bag, and it has like a pink inside. And I sold this for $13. This one was for $13. And I also sold this Chico's necklace. I love this. This is really pretty. And I think I sold this for $12 or $11. I don't recall. I don't remember. But I'm going to start by wrapping this one. You know what? I'm gonna need. You know what? I'm just gonna keep talking. All right. I had this leftover tissue paper. Sorry about that. Okay. I'm just going to use this basically to wrap this. I left my other self-adhesive plastics downstairs, so that's okay. I'll just use this to keep it together. Okay. Next, I am going to in here. I got all these suggestions from Melissa eBay Shipper, and she's been doing it for so long. She's been doing her store and packaging, so she knows all the ways to package so that they don't become victims of the elements in snow or rain or whatever should happen. So that was one of her suggestions. All right, now I'm going to get some tissue. I ordered some different types of polymailers and tissue. I love this. I do, because it's totally acid free, and but it isn't the most attractive looking. So I got some prettier, because I started using like the dollar store tissue paper, and it's very thin and it doesn't really hold up. And although these are really large, it's not very pleasing to the eye, and I like pretty things. Okay. So I purchased a different kind of tissue paper, so that this way it looks a little bit prettier. Marianne and I are so excited for our 2 upcoming craft fairs, and one is going to be right around the corner from us, literally up the road, and it's going to be huge. And the other one's going to be a little bit distant, but not too far. And both of which we have never done. So for some reason, it stopped recording, but this is how it looked. And I put one of these that I said, well, you didn't know I said it because it wasn't recording, but one of these package sealers so that you could put the label in and it secures it. And I also enclosed my super bargain of 36 pair of stud earrings for only $2 inside. And as you guys all know, I just put them on these earring holders that I have with the plastic adhesive, and I put my business card, a thank you sticker, and I always use that to show my appreciation. Okay, the next one is this Coach bag, and I'm going to fold it in half and then put it once again inside here. I used to have a different type of plastic packaging for that. They were self-sealing, but they ripped very easily. It's the kind that you see when you're, when you go into the store. They're very commercial, and stores use them to seal their items. But they're very thin, and it's okay for a store, but not okay when it's going through the shipping process. So I worry about that, so I switched. Okay, now I will use my tissue paper. See, I actually did like this tissue paper when I first purchased it because it's earthy and rustic, and I used to use the raffia that had the straw-like color, and it looked cute. It did, but I get bored easily. I'm a typical Gemini, so I need something different that looks better Like, I'm not the type of person that likes to give gifts around Christmas time in a bag because I feel like there's no anticipation. You just open the bag, you know? So that's why I like to wrap things. There's that anticipation, and it's fun. It's fun. It's very tactile. Okay, and I need to get more different types of ribbon and stuff. I have a lot of Easter colored with Easter eggs and all that and flowers, but so I'm going to be looking for some different types of ribbon. And I will include the earrings. And now we're all set to put it in the poly mailer. Yes, and I did get different colored poly mailers. As I said, I love seafoam green, so I think that was the purpose behind these poly mailers. But I wanted something else. Spring is coming, hopefully soon, and I want to have a spring-like happier color. And once again, the sticker for the leaves, which I got from ups.com. And this is all set to go. All right, now I'm going to turn you guys around and I will show you how I plan to display my ornaments for the craft fair. So I just wanted to show you guys what are your thoughts on having the little Easter tree display the ornaments? I don't know, or I should. Well, I was going to have some displayed on here and then others already packaged in the stuff that I packaged them in. But I don't know. I mean, once I have more, I could put more on here and then at the craft fair display them like this and have some already prepackaged. I don't know. All right, noise is starting, so I gotta go. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.